Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw XRP from Coinbase Wallet to Kraken in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your XRP securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just switching exchanges, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase Wallet and Kraken. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Click that to begin. Next, you'll need to enter the destination details. Head over to your Kraken account, go to the deposit section, and select XRP. Kraken will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully, as any mistake could send your funds into the void. Back in Coinbase, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to double-check for accuracy. Now, specify the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might have changed, so keep an eye on the network fees. XRP is known for its low-cost transfers, but every bit counts. Review all the details one last time, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. After initiating the transfer, sit tight. XRP transactions on the XRP ledger are usually super fast, often completing in seconds to minutes. Once it's done, hop back to Kraken and check your account balance to ensure your XRP has arrived safely. A quick tip: always use the official apps and enable security features like hardware wallets if possible. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. By following these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls and keep your assets secure. There you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from Coinbase to Kraken in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.